Hello, this is Dinky Master 7 here today on September the 6th, Sunday of 2015. These are 4 Dinky Toys that I recently got. They're all in good shape, or they were in really bad shape when I got them, but I restored them, so they got fresh paint, some new tires, and some of them got new tires and the antenna and everything, but they look good now. We're gonna take a closer look on them and start with the Desoto Fireflite. This was a police car back in the day, I think, but it's not that anymore. It's been repainted. You can see it still has its antenna, the fence, everything. Really a nice model. Let's get glass windows or plastic windows. It says this Dinky Toys Desoto Fireflite made in England Mechanical Ltd. And it's short gauge suspension, which still isn't good. So really nice, rolls just fine. So that's that. Now I can start with this, which looks relatively cool. It's a standard Atlas RV, I guess you can almost call it. It's got furniture inside it and everything. Although the windows, they don't look that good, but the rest of it looks like brand new. That's because I repainted it. So it's got turn signals, headlights, grill, door handles, rear lights, and the grill, and it's got pretty much all. Dinky Toys standard Atlas made in England too. It's I don't know if it says, no, it doesn't say which model it is. That's not that important, but yep. Here we go with the Austin truck. It's in really good condition. It's been repainted too. As you can see, rolls fine. Underneath it says Dinky Toys Austin made in England. So that's that, and this is the last one. It's also a Austin, but this one is blue. As you can see, it's got black tires and a painted grill, headlights, door handles. Dinky Toys Austin made in England. So yep, that's my 4 new Dinky Toys added to my collection. And yep, that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel and like this video and everything. And as always, have a nice day.